Hey babes, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I put on my curly clip-ins. These are from Bebonia. I have the spiral set. This is the thicker set that comes with 9 pieces, 9 wefts. I only use 7 even from when my hair was shorter. I got these in October. So it is a lot of hair, but I want it to be on the safer side. And because I know that in the future I am going to be cutting my hair to finish getting rid of all the damage that I have. And my hair is layered right now, so not in the back, just in the front, and I'm trying to get it to be all one length. That's my goal. So I was like, let me just get the thicker set. All right, so now onto the extensions. So the best way that I have learned to apply these curly clip-ins is to have my hair damp. Then I like to wet the extensions just a little bit and then take some gel and blend everything together, and I repeat that throughout my whole head. The first time that I got the clip-ins, I did it with my hair dry, and you guys already know when your curls are already dry, like you're not supposed to touch them. So it was so poofy, it looked a hot mess, and you can tell where my hair stopped. So I didn't like how they looked, and then I figured out how to do it where now everything blends in perfectly and you can't tell that I have any clip-in extensions. So this is the best way that I have learned. The only thing is that you don't want your hair, in this video my hair is super wet, but I was in a rush and I had to do what I had to do. But they won't, like, your roots have to be dry. So when you are wetting your hair with a spray bottle, you don't have to wet your roots. You just have to wet, like, you know, your ends, like the mid section to your ends of the hair, just so everything blends perfectly. But to finish my hair, I just take a little bit more gel and get rid of more of my poofiness because it is crazy, just to make sure everything blends all smoothly. By the time it dries, it ends up matching perfectly. My curls end up getting to the thickness of the extensions and yada yada yada. I'm gonna show you guys different ways that I style my hair with the clip-ins. These clip-ins have definitely helped me stop straightening my hair. That was the main reason why I got these clip-ins, so I can stop straightening my hair and get my curls back to where they used to be. And I'm 5'3", if you guys kind of want to see how long the extensions will look on you with 22 inches. That's the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.